You've recently registered your RYOBI line trimmer online. This video will show you how to easily assemble and start to use it. The box contains a safety guard extension, handle, a line trimmer shaft in 2 pieces, tools you'll need, a battery and charger, and a detailed instruction manual. To attach the handle, clip it in place just below the foam grip. Use the joining clip to secure it and tighten using the wing nut provided. To assemble the shaft, insert the lower half into the upper half. The pieces will click into place. Then use the screws and Allen key provided to tighten. Charge your battery. Pressing this button on the battery will indicate the level of charge your battery currently holds. Insert a fully charged battery into the battery port and your line trimmer is ready to be used. To start, depress the safety switch and hold it down, then engage the trigger. Select low speed or high speed to best suit the job you're doing. This line trimmer uses a bump line feed system to release more trim line. To do this, bring the head up to full speed, then bump gently onto the grass. Don't bump the head on a hard surface like the footpath or your driveway, this may cause damage. For more information about your line trimmer or other RYOBI tools, visit our website.
RYOBI, a cut above.